Difference does not mean division or fragmentation. The different cultures, the traditions, and languages that we have at Richmond, they enhance our creativity, and they definitely broaden our horizons. It makes us realize at the end of the day that there are ways of being that are not necessarily our own.
Unity and diversity is a mindset that allows our differences to become our strengths. Through mutual love and respect, we create an environment that connects us through our unique experiences.
Peace in relation to unity and diversity for me is that everyone accepts each other for who they are. There's no right or wrong, we're all equal, and that's amazing.
Richmond Support Service is a community of people that is there to help us, especially those of us that are away from our home country, far away from our friends and family. It's very good to know that there's people that are there to help and to support us anytime.
Richmond's unity and diversity has made it easier to understand other cultures, and that has given me a greater grasp on how to communicate respectfully and tolerantly with people from all around the world.